So we are just, have you opened up? We are just talking to Babuji's grandson, Chintu ji, and Babuji used to be, as per UP, as per domestic culture here. All the elders were known by Babuji, Tauji, or something like that.
Fufaji, Buaji, Chachaji, Bhaiya, Didi. This is what my relation is. All of you are like them only.
Yeah.
We have never said Abhyasi brother sister. For me, you are brother, you are Chacha, you are Tau, and we maintain still the same what we have been taught. So whole day people used to come, and we used to stay here because Bhandara only shifted in 75. 76 was the first Bhandara. 30 years it was here only. So we have seen family like you staying with us, eating with us, sleeping with us. So we have a very different bond. Now we have become so liberal, we only touch on WhatsApp, hi, hello, even we don't bother to call each other. But that time letters used to be the medium, right? And Babuji used to anticipate, the postman used to come, he said, Bhaiya, kitni चिट्ठी लाए हो? तो बोलते साहब आज 15 हैं. तो this was used to be the office. तिवारी जी सबको पढ़ो और नकल बनाओ. And then Tiwari ji used to narrate in the evening कि बाबूजी साहब आज यहाँ से, कर्नूल से, बीदर से, गुलबर्गा से, हैदराबाद से, बम्बई से, ये सब चिट्ठी आई लखीमपुर से. तो फिर बाबूजी used to narrate कि भाई ये लिखो. फिर पूरा टाइप करके then used to sign. Something which used to be personal, वो खुद लिखते थे by his own handwriting. He said मैं लिखूंगा, आप बैठो. So that's a daily life for us. We have no privacy kind of thing in our house, and still you can see.
The entire world becomes your family.
This is the family. We enjoy welcoming you all with folded hands. Whatever we can offer as prasad or water, we offer the same.
Your magnanimity. But you said that you used to get up early in the morning.
Yes. And then
have Charan Sparsh.
So my admission process. So there was a school in Shahjahanpur still called St. Paul's High School, and he took me. So my family's surname is Saxena.
Yeah.
So the form was filled and he didn't put Saxena for me. He said Chandra. So my name started with Vinit Kumar Chandra. I am not Saxena. I am the only one in this house who is not Saxena. He said no, I will give my Chandra to you. So whole life now I am Chandra, rest all are Saxena.
All are Saxena, you are one Chandra.
Sharat Chandra Saxena, Sanjay Saxena, Amit Kumar Chandra. My brother became also Chandra. Right? So we carried the name of Chandra.
Babuji. And this, asking about this premise, this was your old house?
This is 1964 construction. There is nothing. This is 180-year-old house.
Oh my God.
Babuji's grandfather has constructed this house. He was Prime Minister, no. Rai Bahadur is father, Badir Prasad. His grandfather was Diwan Jograj. Jograj ji, he was Prime Minister in Mughals court.
Oh.
And then his son Rai Bahadur Badir Prasad, we had 1001 villages zamindari, and this house was constructed. And Babuji is born in the same room which is open there. Oh. The front room, if you can see, that is his birthplace.
Oh, that's so wonderful to know.
Birthplace of Sahaj Marg and birthplace of Babuji.
And there was some annexation which was constructed for the foreign Abhyasis.
You can see here. That's what I'm saying.
That one.
This is the guest house.
This was
new building, building in India.
That's so beautiful. And we know about this well in My Master Chariji speaks.
They're right in front of
the great master of the universe gets up and fills up.
He has done for thousands of people. Whomsoever has come, used to put the hand pump by his own hand and ask them to take bath, hand wash. He was so magnanimous. Chariji has written it so everybody knows it, but the people at those time, anybody has come, morning 5, 6, whenever say somebody sitting, hand pump chala do. खुद भरते थे, सबके लिए निकालते थे.
वो कह रहे सबके लिए निकालते थे. हमें तो पढ़ा चारीजी वो कह रहे सबके लिए निकालते थे. वो इतने महान थे, वो
बिल्कुल ग्राउंड टू अर्थ
थे. और उस समय मुझे लगता है चारीजी को ये खोजते भी 6 साल.
This is a printing press.
This was the printing. And Chariji, it happened almost 7 years earlier. He came before 6 years. He couldn't find the place.
So sometimes people will, sometime in Delhi people get down and say, हमको शाहजहानपुर जाना है, वो सहारनपुर लिख देते थे, लोग सहारनपुर चले जाते.
That's what that Abhyasi was saying.
So sometimes it happens.
It's a joy to be here. Anything else you want to share? Thank you.
That will be enough.
Because of you, we could also get some snippets.
Legends.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sister.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.